Good afternoon, guys. Again, I'm into the front lawn of my garden, and then I've been working here by taking weeds underneath of my plants and flowers here into the front lawn of my garden. And actually, they used to have a lots of weeds into the front lawn of my garden, but I need to get doing it. Clearing up. But again, it's never done anyway, because I'm gonna come back here again and doing work, more work. And again, these peonies flower, gorgeous peonies flowers that I had in here into the front lawn of my garden, it just really come out about a few days ago. And this is a gorgeous, beautiful looking pinky flowers, pinky colors flowers. And look at this, guys, the flowers is really absolutely really looking gorgeous and beautiful, and I love watching this as well because it's nice. But these kind of peonies flowers part of how these plants do, because during the heavy winter time that just all gone, and then after springtime before springtime they starts coming out again from under the ground. But during winter time is completely gone, like nothing there. But it's just that the roots are always nice and completely alive underneath of the ground. It's just kind of root bulbs underneath, and that's what they had here, that during the winter time it just kind of disappear under the ground. Disappear, but the root bulbs is just right under the ground. So it's not a problem anymore, because by the time this springtime coming, they start coming out again from the ground. And this is the way how it looks like now during from end of springtime to summertime. The flowers is really come out nicely and beautifully, and this is the way how it looks like, really gorgeous and beautiful. And this is into the front lawn of my garden. Into the front lawn of my garden, I still got more flowers coming up, but they all kind of mixed flowers as well. But maybe later on there are more flowers to come again. So I update to it once all these flowers coming out all together. So it may another couple weeks again, more flowers coming out into the front lawn of my garden. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye for now. Bye bye.